Well, you can always learn. You can always learn from others, you can always get a new idea, something that inspires you to have a go at doing something in a slightly different way. By sharing with other people things that I've done, other people then build on it, and I take their ideas and build on them. And it comes out of experience, and that's what we need. We need the experience of other educators.
Computing is a very new subject, at least the idea of teaching computing as a subject discipline rather than as an applied skill. Maths and physics, they've had centuries of learning how to do this. We haven't. The key thing is to form a kind of community of practice in which teachers and other people who are interested, not just teachers, can have a conversation with each other about how best to do this.
So I think this is the first time we've seen a magazine like this that is for educators in this space, that's about making, it's about electronics, it's about computer science, it's about STEM education as a whole. I think that's really exciting for educators, and it's also the first time I think we've seen a magazine in this space that's written by serving educators and by people who are in this space doing research as well, and that's really exciting.
By sharing my ideas and resources, I'm contributing to the community, but also by taking the ideas and resources from other people, it's a place to start from, but also I might rejig those resources, make them fit my particular circumstance and then give them back, and so it goes on.
Somehow holding something physical in your hands is very important. It's a way of saying there's something substantial going on here, it's something you can show to other people and give them a visceral sense of what's going on.
The magazine will hopefully bring together into the one place lots of resource, ideas, inspiration, and will hopefully inspire people to then go off and maybe find other things which they can then use to contribute back to the magazine.
So Hello World is not just for people here in the UK, you can access it wherever you are, all over the world. It's global, it's completely free for anyone around the world because it's available online as a PDF. You'll be able to just click a link and have access to it, which is really great.
What will educators gain from reading Hello World? They'll be inspired. When you read the pages of Hello World, what I hope you'll see is a deep, colourful, inspiring illustrations and showcasing of the ways in which you can teach these fascinating ideas, but in ways that are actually accessible to children. We shouldn't wait for some deity from on high to tell us how to do all this stuff. We just have to get together and figure out how to do it ourselves.
It's nice to have that community, and if that continues in the magazine, then you can build a wider community of educators, and everyone can perhaps feel as if they're contributing to making our subject well, really, really important in schools, as it should be.